I'll walk next to Evan, you walk next to Tanner. Okay guys, so one of the things we did recently at the creek was we planted plants. So as you can see right here, this is what we call lowland ponderosa pine. So what we have here, this used to run all the way up the length of the creek. Now it's practically extinct. The only place we find this is in the canyon. So we had to get seeds from the canyon and bring them down to plant these. Also, this mat you see, it's what we put it down to keep out the weeds, which as you can see is doing a good job, sort of, other than the weeds growing here. Okay? So we're gonna keep moving, guys. Also watch your step over these logs. And try not to step on any of the plants, the bigger plants like these.
Ooh, dog. Hey.
Does it look like we fall?
Can I jump?
Well, guys, watch your step. We have stakes that are put into the ground, right there, and everywhere. As you can see right here, we have some recent beaver activity. You can see they chewed off part of this willow. You can feel where their teeth have actually chewed into it. So go ahead and give it a little feel, right where it's all cut. It's cool, huh? We'll keep moving up, guys. Watch out for this pole. Come on, guys. You guys are going to watch your steps throughout where we're about to go. There's a bunch of stakes and stakes that go across the trail.
Oh my god, stop. You scared me. Look, this is where I hang it.
Ugh. Pull it out.
It hurts.
Just pull it out.
Watch your step right here. There's a large hole that goes down quite a ways. Used to be a...
And then you guys can see that there's a beaver slide that comes up right through here, and this is how beavers get in and out of the water.
Like the one just comes out.
As you can see, it's a very deep and recent beaver slide. Look how deep that thing is. It goes all the way down. So.
All of you guys are going to want to watch out for this plant that's right in here. It's called the stinging nettle, and it's got some poison on it and little
Needle-like
barb things that'll hit your hand and your arms and stuff like that, and it'll give you hives and it'll hurt you. It's not good.
You guys don't be too worried about the ants. They're not that big of a deal. They won't bite. So don't freak out. You see them crossing the trail right here.
These are some crickets. They're just crickets.
Guys, it's okay. Calm down. They're not going to do anything. They're not going to do anything to you.
This is a cricket. This is a thatch ant nest, and they actually make their nest out of grass, and they cut down the grass and they all build it up because in the wintertime that the grass will decompose and it'll give off heat, and then it'll keep them warm during the wintertime.
Also, one of the things you can do, if you run your hand across the top, they'll shake their butts up, and they put out acetic acid, which smells a lot like vinegar.
Oh yeah. Are those crickets?
So,
Oh, in Mexico there's crickets, but they're different.
so if you guys do that, you guys can do that. Like, you can smell. Does it smell like vinegar?
Yeah.
You guys can smell that?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Real strong, huh? One of the things we do.
That's big.
Don't worry about them. They're not going to do anything to you. They won't sting. They won't bite.
There's a cricket right here, and we're gonna toss this cricket on here and see what these guys do to it.
Oh.
If he doesn't jump away.
In Mexico there's different kinds of crickets in the night. Are they gonna like
You wanna hand me a note?
noises?
Another one?
Oh. That's damage to me.
Are they gonna like eat him? In Mexico, my
What are they gonna do to the cricket?
You know, they eat
They
crickets.
eat the cricket.
In Mexico, they do.
What do?
Crickets.
Oh,
They eat
look
crickets.
at here's a bunny.
They just went in there somewhere. There's
Yeah, we did. They're so jumpy.
disgusting.
Oh.
Well, we just stuck the whole bucket on there.
It's on me. Do they poke?
There's a cricket right here you guys can see. Look. Watch him.
Hey, Bojack, what time does this
Those ants are just attack.
See him? They just attack.
Never mind, Jerry has some.
Hey, I've got cricket right here.
I thought I gave one to you too. Just in your pocket.
Don't stand by me.
They're not too bad. I don't really do anything.
I
to them.
like it.
Oh, look at it, it's moving them.
Oh no, I think we're fine. There's quite a bit.
Where is it? Oh.
See, look, they just tear him apart. See? They're gonna try and pull off his leg here. Kind of cool, huh?
Alright.
Get another one.
Cool, and for
It's the same one, it just kind of...
There we go.
Finally.
You can see those ants just
fine.
swarm around him.
They'll swarm him, and they those things protect the nest very, very well. There's also a nest over there, and there's multiple nests all around campus, which is really cool. You can put that back. Which is really cool because a few years ago we only had one nest, and that got destroyed last year. So it's really cool to see that we got all these nests coming back. So
Yeah.
we'll keep moving, guys.
Oh, last group, there was a cricket right there. It's no longer there.
So yeah, we'll keep moving, guys.
Remember not to touch that.
You just touched. You just looking at the dead.
Oh my gosh. Where are we going?
Right here. You guys can all just circle around right here. So one of the things we do is we put these pit traps in like this. You guys can all circle around and come and look. See that? So basically what we do, the reason we do this is to see what insects we have crawling around in the air. See? You can see all the different, we have a lot of ants in this one. You see the roly-polies in there? See 'em?
Roly-polies! Can I touch a roly-poly?
I wouldn't. They don't look like they're too alive. But the way we do this is we dig a hole in the ground and we'll put one cup in. As you can see, we have a cup right here. Then we put our other cup, get in there, over into it. Okay? And we want to make sure they're pretty level to the ground. The reason we do this is so actually whatever comes across will fall directly into our cone, which is snow cone. You know, you guys get snow cones? It's just a bottom cut out of it. It's a little funnel. It looks cool. And then we put the cover on it for when it rains, because if there's any water in here, whatever's in here will drown because the water will collect them. Okay? Evan, you want to keep them going?
Yeah.
Let's follow Evan, guys.
Get out this way. Again, watch out for that hole. Everybody, as you get out here, you can see all these logs that are sticking out from the ground. This is actually, so when we get floodwaters through here, it'll slow down all the water that comes through here so we don't get fast moving water to take all the silt and dirt away from here. We want to preserve the land as much as we can.
Do you have any in the back?
Question? Can we kick the stick?
Found a tick?
Kick this, but I don't know where it is.
Yeah, we'll collect the ticks from you if you get any. As you can see, there's another tick trap that we've got going over here. Alright, so you guys can look back there. You can see where a beaver has come through here and chopped down all those trees over there. That's what it looks like when a beaver comes through. They cut down all those trees to use to make their beaver dam.
Go.
You guys know what a beaver is, right?
Happy earrings. Someone stepped on my shoe like
Leave?
What is that? I think it was you.
Chop down the actual tree and they keep the hard part. And that's the alive part of the tree.
That's all in the picture crop.
Huh? Oh, it's for that. You guys will get to that in the next station. Just a little bit.
Come on, guys, keep moving.
I flew about you.
Does anybody
Is that the
need
flower
any more
plant?
water?
No, that's a flower plant. They're talking about a flower plant. Like this. Is that the flower plant?
Going up,
It's like butterflies. Yeah. It's like the flower plant that you
So, I'll walk and talk. So, basically, you guys see this?
Yeah.
That's what beavers do to branches. So, you can see they cut off all the alive part and chopped off where it's all dead. So, the actual woody part of the tree, the beavers don't eat that much of. They actually eat the bark of it. And then whoever asked earlier about the roses, we have woods rose right here. See? You see the flower petals? You guys can if you want. Be careful, there's some thorns on those. And then you can see these rose hips. That's the actual fruit of the plant. So those flowers, those turn into those rose hips. Actually become the hip bud of it. You can see we have the plant all through here. Grab it, destroyed. It's pine trees down below. They ate all the needles off it and killed it. Yeah. Right here we have those fat cans.
Be careful.
So what we have here, you guys can see the beaver dam right in front of us, right? That wraps around to the other side. Last year when I used to come swimming, it was about half that height, and it wrapped further back up around. It wasn't as tall as this here. It's actually pushing the water around, and it comes out over there in a section, and then it comes around to the other side of the island. So, beavers, there's two main reasons why they make their the dams. The first is they store food in it, so all the live branches that they cut, they put into it under the water, because the water preserves the living cells until they need to eat it. It's like, basically like a refrigerator. That's it.
Scared now.
They're not too bad. And then the other reason is the entrances to their homes are actually underwater, so it helps protect the entrance to them. Okay? That makes sense? And then one of the other things that people always say is like, isn't actually true, because they don't like the sound of water, which is kind of fun. Then right here, you know the salmon? When they spawn? Well, this is where the reds, so this is where their eggs are. So after they spawn. So they create it. They dig this all out. And then they spawn their eggs in there and put it all back. So, it's kind of cool, huh? No.
Is that like a path down there, or is the water go through it?
It hits the bank on the other side, actually. Because the water is being pushed around by this red right. There's another red right there. I think it's all the gravelly parts. And it pushes the water that way. And then it kind of hits the bank and starts coming back towards us. Okay? And then right here, Evan, do you know what time it is?
It's 11:05.
Let them know that we're coming in a second. Right here is a beaver skull. So, as you guys can see, beavers are rodents, so they produce their teeth endlessly to the end of till they die. These front teeth, they keep on growing, so they have to keep chewing to keep these short. So, it's kind of cool, huh? Cool, huh? Brain?
Small bird.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
yeah.
Weird.
So, to kill the ticks, you guys, so if you ever get them, it's pretty common if you're out here. It's not too big of a deal. They don't do anything too bad to you. I've had them suck on me before. Basically what you want to do is you want to put them on your fingernail, like so. And I like to do this. I like to just put them on my fingernail and just grind them up. So basically until you separate the head from the body, see? There you go, get off.
I can't.
There you go. Pretty easy to kill. So you can't squeeze them like that to kill. You have to have them between 2 hard surfaces to actually kill them. So you guys find them, don't freak out, they're not gonna do anything to you. And if they do start to suck into you, all you do it probably is a small fish. If they're stuck onto you, all you do is just slightly pull them, make a little tent so where your skin comes up. Don't yank them off, just kind of pull them and they'll eventually let go. Not a big deal. And you can kill them like I just did. Okay? So we're gonna start going back as. Ow! My bad. Sorry. That's kind of cool. And previous to our work here on the creek, we actually didn't have that many spawning reds, or any at all. So in the 4 years that this has been after this construction, this is probably 2. We've got a significant increase of salmon coming back. This is had a large number. Many times more usually. That's the woods road. Or Doja Dogwood, sorry, my bad. We can look at this trap real quick too, guys. So this is another one of our pit traps. As you can see, this one's got a lot more beetles in it than ants, huh?
Oh.
Kind of cool. There's a spider in there.
Where?
Right here, see him?
Yeah.
Trying to get up. And you got some worms in there, more woolly
Worms.
Do those spiders kill the other?
I don't think so, no.
No?
Kind of cool though, huh? You just put it back down like so, and then place the cone over the top. Yep.
So if they try to get out, they'll just slide down.
Yeah, they can't climb up out of it.
Okay. Does anybody need any more water?
No. Well, I look like